Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ina and today I'm gonna show you how I edit my Instagram pictures step by step. They're all free and I hope you enjoy it. Comment below, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, for this tutorial you will need Lightroom app. It's a free app, you can download it. And once you download it, you can pause this video and let's get started. For Lightroom, I'm gonna go all the way on the bottom and select plus to add a picture. So I have created my own preset Dubai. I'm gonna give you guys all the settings on them. This is a step by step so you can have it in yours and you can name it whatever you want. So to get started on this look, you're gonna click on the light on the bottom. Now put all your settings in this order. So exposure plus 0.52, on contrast -17, highlights -57, here we go, on shadow +7, the whites +8, black +12. So if you will have all these settings, you'll be able to recreate a picture just like this. And this is all the settings for the light section. Now in color, temperature is +17, tint +11, vibrance +14, saturation is on 0. So right now you can set those up. Now on the top you will see word mix. You're gonna click on that also. There's some settings on here too. So right now it's on red. You're gonna make the hue +20, saturation +8. There's nothing else on that. Then now you're gonna click on orange is nothing. Yellows. You're gonna make the hue -100, saturation +12, and luminance +23. The greens on 0, blues at 0, on blue semi purple hue is a -26, purples are 0s and 0s, so this section is done. FX. The clarity is +12, so it really depends on the picture quality you have. You can recreate it, and then so clarity is +12, green is on 8, size of it is 25 and roughness is 50. So it's all the way down. And that's it on all the settings. So this is before and this is after. Before and after. Alright, so to save this preset, all you have to do is right on the top line, you will see at the very end on your right side is the 3 dots. So to save it, you're gonna go and click at the 3 dots on your right side on the top, and you're gonna create preset. So all the way down, create preset. You can name it anything you want. And just click the check mark. That's it. You can find it now on your presets right over here. Edit. Alright, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and I will see you guys next time.